Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Trishna and today we are diving into the Master in Corporate Finance program at SDA Bocconi in Milan. This is an intense one-year full-time English taught program worth 70 ECTS credits designed for early career professionals. On average, students have about 3 years of work experience. So if your goal is to master international corporate finance and accelerate your career in finance, banking, advisory, asset management or real estate, stay tuned till the end. Let's begin with who this program is made for. The MCF at SDA Bocconi is perfect for young professionals who already have some work experience and want to develop in-depth skills in corporate financial management. Whether you are aiming to work in-house at a corporation, in banking or advisory, or across investment and real estate, the program provides cutting-edge techniques. Plus, you'll emerge with a prestigious degree from one of Europe's top business schools. The program also emphasizes leadership, ethics, and respect for diverse perspectives, basically qualities that are increasingly important in today's global finance world. Now, moving on to what makes SDA Bocconi's MCF unique. Well, it stands out for being 100% finance focused. Beyond that, the MCF is affiliated with the CFA institutes and GARP, which gives you formal recognition and prepares you for these globally recognized certifications. Another great feature is the international experience in Mumbai, well, locally for Indian students, where you'll get practical exposure to finance markets in Asia. With all these credentials and diverse global immersion, the program truly equips you for leadership in international finance. Next, let's dive into how the year is structured. It starts in September and kicks off with pre-course tutorials and face-to-face sessions covering essential subjects like microeconomics, macroeconomics, and accounting, which is ideal if your background in these areas is a bit rusty. For the first few months, you'll tackle core finance fundamentals like financial economics, valuation, capital markets, and corporate analysis. Then from January through March, you'll move into applied modules including financial modeling, Bloomberg, soft skills, and valuation deep dives. By April and May, you get to choose your specialization track, which is either corporate finance and financial management or investment and capital markets and several other electives. Then in June, you'll shift into the individual path to success, choosing from 3 different options: an internship, a research project, or an international experience in Mumbai. Finally, you'll graduate in November following the final graduation ceremony. And that is how your year is going to be structured. Another standout element is the MCF Field Project, a consultancy-style group assignment in collaboration with real companies. This project is designed to test your knowledge, teamwork, and ability to tackle real financial challenges, giving you both professional experience and networking opportunities. When it comes to teaching methods, SDA Bocconi uses a highly engaging mix. Expect small group case discussions, simulations, role-playing, and real-world guest speakers and visiting professors. Plus, there's an initiative called the Leaders in Finance series, which invites top executives to share insights on their real-world experiences. You'll also gain hands-on experience with financial databases and analytical tools like Bloomberg, FactSet, and other platforms, reinforcing both technical as well as strategic understanding. Now, what does it take to actually apply to SDA? The admission standards are rigorous but pretty clear. You need a university degree in any field, strong English proficiency through TOEFL, IELTS, PTE or equivalent, and a GMAT or GRE score, or you can even take SDA's own quantitative test. Then comes the interview with the program director or admissions committee, which is also a part of your application process, and the ideal candidate has around 2 years of professional work experience. You'll need to submit your official transcripts, your degree certificate, plus a diploma supplement if you're from a Bologna Press University, and proof of English. The CFA certification is absolutely optional, but it gives you an edge during selection. There's also a €120 application fee, and interviews are scheduled through the admissions portal. As for how the selection actually works, it begins in early October and runs on a rolling admissions basis, meaning early applicants generally have better chances. The process involves pre-screening of documents, of course, then interview either in Milan or online, and the final decision, which is communicated via official letter. Moving on to the financial investment, the total tuition for 2025-26 program is €36,000, which is payable in 4 installments over the year. This fee includes most teaching materials and database access, but does not cover your living costs, so note that. And on average, students spend around 1700 to 2400 euros per month in Milan for housing, food, transport, and other expenses. Well, to help with the financial burden, SDA offers merit-based tuition waivers, 10 partial scholarships in total to be precise, which are awarded based on academic merit and profile diversity. There are also special waivers for female students, regional candidates, and athletes as well. Sports-related candidates, particularly excellent athletes in basketball, volleyball, or water polo, can apply for two 18,000 euros waivers. You can declare your scholarship interest in your application itself, and then decisions are made throughout the selection process. For financing options, Bocconi offers connections to Prodigy Finance loans and loan from Italian banks as well. The school assists you with the required documentation and international fee support, so you don't need to worry about that. Then let's talk about career outcomes. The MCF has a proven track record. 96% of graduates find jobs within a year of graduation, and 70% are employed before they even finish the program. To be specific, 70% started new roles while still studying, 26% were employed within 3 months, and only 4% took longer than that. Isn't that amazing? And finally, one of the program's greatest benefit is the MCF Career Curriculum, a structured track which is designed to support your professional growth. Put together by SDA Bocconi's Career Services in partnership with faculty, it focuses on 5 core competencies like communication, leadership, analytical thinking, and much more, via workshops, coaching sessions, and interactions with alumni and industry experts. To wrap things up, SDA Bocconi's Master in Corporate Finance gives you a fast-paced, fully finance-focused curriculum in just 12 months. It combines academic rigor, hands-on experience, international exposure, and strong career support, all situated in Milan, a top European financial hub. Thanks to its track record in employment and strong industry connections, it's a great springboard into finance leadership roles. So if you're looking to reorganize your career in corporate finance, an internship, advisory role, or higher leadership position in finance, this program delivers. Well, that was all for today's video. If this deep dive into Bocconi's MCF was helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more program breakdowns, admission strategies, and career preparation tips. And if you have got a question about SDA's MCF program or want another program covered, leave a comment below. For now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.